Alright, exciting times. The car is coming off the lift for the final time. We are going to be going to Kartworld, Adventure Park at Kartworld in 1 hour for testing. So we'll be there in 1 hour for testing. So quickly put the car in the shuttle. I'm going to go in and grab my race gear. It's time to see what this baby's all about. Alright, so we're here at Adventure Park at Kartworld, my local track, somewhere where I did a lot of learning how to drift way back in the day, and also a place where I test multiple cars. So it's a really cool track because it has a bit of everything. High speed on the entry, you can go to big angle, and then you're coming into a tighter hairpin, so you're big angle, under braking, checking the steering, you can feel everything very well. Same switch back the other way, big angle, multiple transitions, and very fun and technical track to drive. I don't know how many laps I've done here over the years, but a lot. It's really cool to be at the point where I'm just literally about to drive the car for the first time. I'm excited for it. I'm very proud of my lads, a team of 5 including you and me. It's pretty crazy what we can get done in a short amount of time. So it's a serious car, like I love it. Like it just looks unbelievable, and now we get to drive it and feel it for the very first time. Luckily the weather is great, but unfortunately it showered before we came here, so the surface of the track is going to be wet for at least the start. Hopefully it dries up pretty quick if we do a few laps on it. We might also take out the Mustang to help dry the track a little bit, but in general, very excited for this moment. We get to see all of our hard work over the last few weeks on track for the very first time. So I think let's just start getting into the car, getting stuck into it, and driving it and see what it's all about, and we'll talk more once I feel it. Alright guys, so this is it. First time driving the 180SX. Now what I'm working on here is just getting a feel for everything. Everything is brand new, new wise fab, new tyres, wet track, new brakes. So I'm just working on feeling everything out. First impressions is everything feels really nice, everything feels really smooth, but I just want to make sure to drive a couple of laps before really leaning on this thing and making sure pressures are good, temperatures are good, and just loosening the whole system out. Yeah, so far the track I'm just noticing super slippery, so I'm going to have to try to get some heat into these tyres in a second before I really lean on it, but let's do one more lap to make sure everything is feeling as it should. Oh yeah, she feels good. Oh, it feels sharp, it feels sharp. Oh, I love this thing already. Right, let's get the guys to quickly have a look under the bonnet, make sure everything is okay, and then let's send it. All right.
That sounds fair good. It sounds louder than the 14.
The limiter is just lovely in it.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Grand, just loosen up the steering and all the new arms and stuff.
A bit heavy.
Not heavy, but just not rotating as it should.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah. I'll just warm it up here, figures of 8. Alright, so guys, I've checked the car over, everything's looking good. Now it's time to have some fun. So first up, a few figures of 8, Just get some heat into the front and rear tires. Even though this track is cold, it's very slippery, but everything feels as it should. This thing is nice and sharp. Alright, let's do this. More heat in the rears, and let's how it feels on the first ever drift lap in the 180SX. Okay, really smooth on entry. This thing feels so natural. It's literally like driving the S14.9. Whoop. Yeah, it feels right at home. Lap complete, let's send it. Oh, she feels good. This thing is unreal. Very, very impressive. This thing is sick, but the track is so slippery. What a machine. Alright, let's check it over. What a car. First lap's complete in this car, and oh my god. Every time I drive an S chassis, it's just like, you know what I mean? I don't know how to describe it. In my opinion, a well-built and set up S chassis they're just a perfect drift car in my opinion. Obviously it's wet, track is super slippery, so we can't really, you know, compare it to other cars, but right away it just feels like driving my S14.9. Like my very first drift lap in the car, second corner, backed it in, everything felt super natural and easy. The steering is lovely, the response is lovely, the ECU master, so this is running the Pro 8 ECU, and the rev limiter is just super sharp. It's like just super fast, like reminds me of the Worthouse days when we were in FD. Hopefully it dries up, but I'm not sure if it's going to dry in the next, like, we have just about an hour, so it's a bit of a shame if it doesn't dry up. But look, no matter what, we're testing the car, we're driving it, it feels great. I'll do another few laps, and so yeah, very happy. Feels insane. How does it look from the outside? Does the car itself look nice? Oh, yeah, I can't wait to see it from the outside. Alright, little 180, let's do this. What a machine. It's so fun to drive. It's like, it's just, so good. Like, it feels so natural. Everything is working out of the box. It sounds unreal. Like, that rev limiter is class. The steering is really nice. Brakes are nice. Handbrake is nice. It's just working out of the box. The only problem we had is obviously it's wet. There's not much grip out there, so we dropped the tyre pressures a lot and we DB'd the front tyre when I did a 360. But that's the only thing, you know? I wish it was dry so we could just smoke the tyres off it. Just one of those days, at least it's not raining.
It's Ireland, no?
It's Ireland, we're lucky, it's December. And yeah, it could be a lot worse. So, yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. Right, to finish up today, let's see if I can drift a lap of Watergrasshill in the Mustang. Let's go. Okay, you have to be careful in this entering the corners. Not a lot of steering angle, but it does it. It's linking it. I'm impressed it even linked the straight, but you have to be one step ahead of the car. The track is slippery, the car, you can feel it, you know. Good fun street car. What a machine, the Ford Mustang RTR Spec 2 out of the box. Such a fun machine, but let's get back to the 180. So we're just wrapped up here at the first test with the new 180SX. It is a serious machine. Now, unfortunately, as I said earlier, the weather kind of, you know, didn't give us an opportunity to do many crazy things, as you know, the first lap was almost like the last lap. But the good news is, though, while you were getting your shots, we got to do quite a few laps in the car. Really give it a good shakedown. Absolutely no problems, but now we'll get it back home, put it on the ramp, give it a full last once over, and finish off the last little details like the passenger seat, firewall for the dry sump cover. Just run through the whole car and see if there's anything that needs attention. But in general, it's running lovely, it's driving lovely, it's a sweet car. Unfortunately, I'd love to, you know, find a day potentially before it leaves to bring it to the track in the dry. So if the weather is looking good for a couple of days, maybe next week, we'll try to get a track again and do a few more laps. But in general, very positive first day. It's an unreal car. I'm very, very proud of what we achieved. And yeah, I think as far as I know, the information that I have right now is that this car will be up on Lucky Day competitions this week. I think it's $24.97 per ticket. Tickets are open worldwide, and there's going to be free delivery if the winner's in Ireland or the UK. It's going to be sad to see it go, but very proud to be a part of this whole build, organise it with Michael from start to finish, make it all happen. And huge thanks to everybody involved, like Chris and Mikey, Michael, you Lucas, for making a great build series. I really, you know, I think in time to come, it's nice to look back and see these videos and see what we have, you know, done in the past, because time goes so fast when you're busy. Sometimes it's hard to even realize how much you're actually doing, but I'm very proud of it. I always wanted to build a 180SX, and this one turned out so nice. Like, it drives unreal, it looks unreal, and I think it is unreal. So hope you guys enjoy it too, and thank you for watching. We still got at least one more video left this year, and to see what we're doing, we're going to be having some fun with the team. Come back next week, and thank you for watching. We'll see you all then.